Hi everyone, Aaron Brooks here with Courtney. Today we want to talk about plantar fasciitis. Quite often when people are diagnosed with plantar fasciitis, they're often given calf stretching exercises. And although the calf may be tight, one of the key findings that we typically see when we do our evaluation on people is when we look at the angle of the leg bone in relationship to the foot, quite often the entire leg bone is actually turned inward this way. Now, a typical compensation that someone will do is they'll toe the foot out, because if they didn't, they would feel too much torquing in the knee and the hip. So they typically toe out to give more support basically in the hip here. The problem though is that if this rotates inward and the foot toes out, it's going to actually collapse the foot. So what happens is when the inside board of the foot collapses, that fascia gets stretched out. So typically that's going to be the irritation to the fascia. So although stretching may feel good temporarily, a real key component to this is actually strengthening some of the deeper hip muscles. So if you look at yourself in the mirror, check the angle of the foot to the knee to the hip. If you see what we just talked about, then you know that that's going to be a big part of what your issue is.